So I've got the wheels drilled for the 3/8 dowels, and I've got the body drilled for clearance so that the dowels slide easily in there. And I've got the dowels cut to the proper length. The next thing I'm going to do is find the rear legs. These are the two rear legs. They've got these recessed board holes in them. They're going to get some screws. First I need to clearance the hole a little better. I want the screw to be freely spinning in this hole. And also I want to clearance these. Just one side of it. Just working that in to flatten it. I'm going to put a washer on the back here, and then screw this in. And I'm going to trim this with a Dremel. Then I can loosen it a little bit. It's one leg, do one more here. I tighten it tightly, trim it, and then back it off. So now I'm ready to put the front wheels in. Use one of these washers here. Put some glue. Just using regular wood glue on this. And I can go on the back side and wipe away any excess glue. I don't get that opportunity on this one, so I'm going to be a little more careful about the glue. And I'm going to finish this up with a clamp. That way I can draw the wheels in and have the axle be flush with the outside of the wheel. And so next I'm going to install one of these wheels. These go on this side. The screw is concealed. So I could probably just install the first one like this. And the next one, install it in on the body here. And on this one, I think I'm going to do the timing offset 180 degrees. For the back legs. I'm doing some of them symmetrical, like they're hopping, and other ones more like they're stepping, just to make it more interesting for the child playing with it. He might notice that. This one's having some trouble to start. There it goes. So I'm gonna get, while the glue is not dried, I'm going to set the timing. So this one's straight ahead and this one's back. If you see what I mean there. So while this one's up, that one's down. And so now I'm going to go ahead and clamp them the rest of the way. Next thing I need to do is attach a screw onto here. We use a washer. And I also need to clearance these for the screw also. So put the washer on there. And I can trim the screw afterwards with my Dremel tool. I've decided the way I'm going to lock the screws, I'm going to put some CA glue in the back of the hole here. So right now I'm tightening it hard. I'm going to trim the screw. And then I'll loosen it up a little bit so it's free. And I'll do the same thing on this one. First I'll tighten it hard, firmly in. Then once I trim the screw I can back it off. Now it's just a matter of running some screws in here. We've got 3 locations I've chosen. I've drilled pilot holes for. I'm going to use the lower one. First I tighten it firmly and then I back off till it's free. Same thing over here, the hole is a little more visible on this side. And so now I've got the, you can see this one's walking, not hopping, it's just walking. So what I'm going to do now, the last thing I need to do is touch up these spots where the axle is. So I still have some of this green paint that I mixed up. And if there's any other spots I might have missed or damaged, I can go ahead and touch those up. And so I'm going to put some CA glue into these threads of the screws here. And then I can touch this up with some more polyurethane to repair where I damaged it. Here we go. Got another one done here.